Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I am waiting for the glue to dry on my neck attaching to the guitar. So why not spin up the lathe? Let's see if we can make something out of this chunk of myrtle. It's about just under 2 inches deep and about 8 inches across, so about a 2x8 piece of myrtle. Me. We're gonna fire it up on the lathe and see what it turns into. Let's get spinning. there we go. That's a pretty nice, that's a pretty nice little myrtle dish. That's neat. Myrtle has some cool grain patterns in it. That knot stabilization with the Starbond and wood bits, sawdust and whatnot actually turned out pretty nice. Yeah. Actually kind of looks like it's just a knot. I do have a link down below with a coupon code if you're interested in getting yourself some Starbond. I get a little kickback from that. They get a sale, you get a discount, everybody wins. And in terms of finish, on the inside, I just used the Custom Creations liquid wax, followed by the custom wax. And on the outside, I used the step 1, step 2 finishing sanding system. And those are available in my Etsy store. That's linked down below as well. If you're interested in getting your hands on some of that, it is a fantastic sanding and finishing product, or just finishing product. So, there we go. One Myrtle Bowl tray thing. This is going to be a really nice, like, key tray for the front entranceway, and you drop your pocket full of change and keys and stuff in that guy. That's nice. All right. Anyway, that's it for this one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. I gotta wait for the glue to dry on this guitar so I can keep guitaring. Maybe I'll make another bowl. Maybe I'll have a beer and go to bed. Maybe I'll have 4 beer and not go to bed. I'm not going to work through it with you. I'm just going to bid you adieu. Bye for now.